Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This was after we got back from Mama's doing the field and weed eating. I decided since I was already sweaty and messy and feeling hot, might as well tackle my yard and give it a little bit of loving care. So I'm just gonna pick up some sticks and get ready for my son to mow. I decided that I didn't feel like weed eating anymore today. In previous storms and all, I didn't realize there was a lot of sticks in the yard. We had been keeping them up, but doing other projects and all, I've just let it go. Because usually even the dead grass and everything or extra leaves, I usually try to get up. One day I get back to taking care of my pathway. I need to get some more, I need to put some more fabric, yard fabric around the bird bath and finish it up. I bought some of the better kind, so I'll put it down. And I want to get some, the gravel and go around the bird bath. I have one bag I bought just to test it out. So hopefully it's like a rock for it. It's a hot day. I just feel like I'm coming back out and messy and all after I take a shower and all that, or even another day. You know how you procrastinate. It wasn't too bad. I mean, the wind was blowing, and like I said, I was already messy, so I might as well finish it up. That poor tree. I need to it's so close to the other tree. I actually forgot I need to put it in the ground. I've done the others. I need to get the dirt up around them. You see around the bird bath and all in each corner. I need to I'm gonna take that dirt and put it up there by the driveway because where it's washing out all the way down the driveway. I do like to have a big step. Coming to help. He was getting the lawnmower off the trailer and all. It doesn't take long to do our lawn with a mower. Now since I put everything in the way, it's more of a go around it type day. Really didn't realize there was a lot of sticks in the The birds have been enjoying the bird bath. I got some footage of several birds in it. They actually um, flop around in it. I'm starting to, I love going out into the yard now. It just seemed so boring before, but me putting flowers and shrubbery and trees around it gives it a little bit more joy to be out there. Besides watching all the golfers go up and down in the carts. And hopefully soon I'll be able to finish my fence, you know, especially in the front. I won't put it as high as I'm doing the sides. But I'm after that more private look, more a little oasis feeling. You know, when I walk out, I want to enjoy the yard. I enjoy working in the yard with all the birds, and what you're hearing now is, I guess, cicadas, and they get pretty loud. It's almost like it's a jungle, especially in the back. And I still got to get the back done. I was hoping to have it where it's a little haven, but yeah, I didn't need for it to get so hot before we actually tackled the back. I just, get kind of busy. I know it's hot. I don't really want to mess around the little stream back there. And we do have to get out and get it mowed and all that. But after seeing that snake, I kind of chickened out. Here, I decided to get the blackberry vines up on it so that it just grow all over it and not out spread out in the yard. And as I say in this later, that I'm thinking about getting a scuffernut vine and my raspberry vine and getting another what do you call that, like a trellis, a climber, I'm not sure, but so they can grow up around it too. We have blackberries on these vines, and I've actually had some raspberries, a lot more this year. I just gotta get them in the ground. I'm kind of wandering around the stump, since the blackberry's growing. Maybe, just maybe, I can, grow them there. And I gotta do something about that little tree that's wanting to, grow right beside it. It ain't staying. Trying to get a thorny vine up on that is, not sure if that was a good idea at the time. And you see in the far back near the road, my trees are starting to grow back. I cut them back probably later than I should, and I didn't think they were going to come back this year, but it did. As you see the little red, pinkish color back there. He's fixing to mow, so I'm trying to get it up so it won't be cut. To the rescue. This little tool is what we use to put the trampoline together, and it came in handy. We're gonna spend a little bit of time getting the yard together, and he's mowing, so I'll have to weed eat for a while, and yeah, probably getting a little tired of the weed eater. My arms are sore, and plus by now it just needs mowing, period. But later I'll be tackling my flowers and the weeds around it. Doing a little bit of pressure washing. So, keep getting poked. Running in the way, all the way around it, and then I was going to put a little on the stump right there, I was gonna put like a big old bird bath. I wonder how much stuffing on the raspberries would do good mixed in with a bunch. I need a place to put them. I can't do that. So I have to wait until somebody go out there with me. I'm not going on back by myself. Just have to weed for a while. Guess I'm doing this right. Put that ugliness off of there. I never knew a piece was poisonous either. Be careful with, I guess, cats and children. own kind of soil.
Uh,
The soil they put it in is like a, I don't know, nothing holds. So usually when you get stuff, you need to replant them in your own pot soil or your own ground or something. Looks like fun. Makes me want to do it. That's a pressure wash stuff. Saw the house out there. Don't want to do that. I'll take over in a minute. Honey, new lawnmower.
Yeah, it's like wet.
Told y'all it needed cleaning.
Yeah.
Makes it more prettier.
Yeah.
I got it cleared out.
That motor I have over there, it's about like probably 10 times powerful than this.
Wow. Yeah, clearing all that out. I'm gonna go between all these. Usually all this is all clear of weeds like that. Oh, what's my phone?
Yeah, I'm throwing.
Alright, go ahead. Ah! That's too funny. Oh my goodness, the different